Right. Okay. Here we go. Right. Okay, guys. Good evening, and welcome back to the 2025 A-level revision class. Right. So, as I told you, every Saturday, 1 to 5 p.m., you have the revision class, right, for 2025 batch, right? But this is also like, as I told you in 2026, a bit different thing. I'll tell you in here. So, what I want to tell you, like, I'm going to explain the plan again, my presentation in brief quickly, and I'm not going to continue the class like 3 hours today. Why? Like just only the introduction part. Why? From next week onwards, you will get the tute, and we can have the discussion in management accounting, because today is the class introduction and the management accounting lesson starting, right? So listen to this carefully, and I want to have a proper discussion with you all, right? So now, as I told you, now you know in here, right? So it, right. So I think you can see the same presentation. I'll go through with this again. Why? This is also really important to the 2026 5 A-level students, right? So can you hear me, right? I'm audible to you guys? Cool, right? Okay. So this is again, I'll tell you, because some guys are joining only with 2020 5 classes, but as I told you, for 2025 class students, 2026 classes are totally free. You can join, because I'm not going to cover the grade 12 lessons in this class, because we need to do more things. I'm only covering grade 13 class review, things in here. Understand? So you can join for the 2025 batch, right? Classes. So what I want to tell you in here, so let's have a quick recap in here. So now you can see syllabus, grade 12 and 13, and my tute order and A-level past paper structure, class procedure, instruction, major attentions, and the recommended readings in here, right? So as I told you, in here there are 10 competencies in grade 12. So each will cover in 2026 class, right? And in here, one, two, three, six competencies in uh, grade 13. I'm covering these things in here, the 2025 class. Things relevant to grade 12 covering in theory class 2026, right? Hope you got the idea, right? And the other thing, this is the grade 12 tute order. I explain it well, right? So now in here there are like 15 number of tutes in here. So I think I already gave you the introduction accounting and its need, understand? And once I finish, I'll give you the accounting equation tute at all, right? Then in here, that is the thing I want to tell you in here. When it comes to grade 13, you can see starting from conceptual framework, then company accounts, right? Then the accounting standards, right? Conceptual framework, accounting standard. After that, we are learning the company accounts, right? Then the accounting ratios, basic concepts about management accounting, CVP analysis, which means the cost, volume, and profit analysis, capital investment decisions, right? I'm starting from the management accounting. Why? There are students who don't have knowledge in grade 12 lessons. That's why I'm doing first 4 lessons. Once I finish the management accounting part, easy clear to you in this class. Send me a thumbs up, right? The tute relevant to management accounting, right, will be sent next week. Okay, so before next Saturday, next week no classes Saturday because of the poor day. And as I told you, in 2026 class there will be another class, right, for to cover the first week and the next week, most probably Friday morning. Understand? Thursday morning or Friday morning, I'll explain it to you. Easy clear to you, right? I think fine, right? So then the other one, in here the paper structure. When it comes to accounting, 2 hours for the first paper and 3 hours for the second paper. And in first paper, like we have different kinds of questions starting from in when it comes to first paper, there are 50 questions, right? Question number 1 to 30, it's MCQs. 31 to 50, it's short answer things. And when it comes to second paper, as I told you, there are like 6 questions. First and 2 compulsory. Out of other 4, you need to select 3 questions. Understand? මං ආයි 25ට අවුලක් නැහැ නේ පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් වෙනවනේ, right? Okay, then the other one, the paper structure, because these are two different uh, videos, right? Because this is for 2025 and previously 2026, right? 26 class එකට හිටියට අවුලක් නැහැ නේ ආයෙ එකපාරක් ආව වෙනවනේ, right? So in here you can see in first paper there are 200 marks, 4 marks into 50 questions, which means 200 marks. In second paper, 200 marks, also 10 minutes as giving as the additional reading time. So then finally 400 marks divided by 4, which means 100 marks, right? So again, quickly, when it comes to the turn on the videos and wait, I won't everyone because I'm not giving any time to turn off the video, right? So stay with the video. If there's any emergency case, you can turn off the video and tell me through the message, right? Better you can turn on the video, then it's good, right? Okay, so when it comes to first paper, there are 30 MCQs. Firstly, 5 choices in each question, 4 marks for each, right? Then from 31 to 50, those are short answer questions which you need to write short answers in the question paper, right? And time 2 hours. When we divide the time for one question, uh, we can take like 2 minutes and 40 seconds per question, because there are 120 minutes, right? For 50 questions, right? So 2 minutes and 40 seconds per question. So 4 marks into 50 questions, which means 200 marks. When it comes to second paper, you can see 6 questions containing first and 2 questions are compulsory. Including first and 2, you need to write 5 questions, which means additionally you need to write 3 questions including first and 2. First 2 and the another 3 questions, which means altogether 5. There are 6 questions, right? So other than that, one question can skip. Total 200 marks in here also. And when it comes to the other part, in here, so structure of the second paper, there are 6 questions. First and 2 compulsory, others are optional. Out of 4, you can select 3. Then first one, mostly compulsorily it's a company account question, right? 40 marks for that one. And the other one, when it comes to the other one, the question is changing. Questions are changing. So from 2 to 6, there are part A and part B in each and every question. 40 marks for each question, but you can skip 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of those 4, you can skip one. Then 40 marks into 55 questions, 40 marks in 5 questions, which means 200 marks. 90 seconds per marks, which means 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? Out of 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, 3 questions need to select, right? Hope you got the idea. Understand, guys? Okay, and this was not a compulsory thing for 2026 A-level students, but this is really important to you all. You need to do a thorough analysis. I told you, take the second paper and write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. There are part A and part B in each and every question. As I told you, what you need to do analysis. මං කිව්වා 2 ඉඳන් 6 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්න වෙනකන් හැම එකකටම part A part B කියනවා හැම ලකුණු 40ක් එනවා 40 marks. You need to see, just do analysis part second question part A in 2023 question from this lesson. එක වෙනස් කරනවා ළමයි කාලෙන් කාඩුවා නිකන් බලන්න. Third question part A accounting equation, part B not for profit organization. ඒක split කරන්නේ නැහැ 20ක් මේකට 20ක් මේකට එහෙම නැහැ බලන්න. Third question part A 30 marks, part B 10 marks, right? Fourth question part A 30 marks, part B 10 marks. Understand? Easy clear to you guys? They are changing it. Just do analysis. I'll attach this one with the thing. You know, new syllabus starting from 2019. You can do an analysis from 2019 onwards. Easy clear to you guys? Hope you got the idea. Then the other one, you know, our common instructions in here. So when it comes to our common instructions, now you are the one who facing for the 2-in-1 program. But though this is the 2-in-1 program, you need to join for the 2020 classes, 26 classes, because it's totally free for you all. So then you can have a clear idea about the things. Is it clear to you guys, right? You know, 2025 classes are totally free. 2026 classes are totally free for you. You only need to pay 2025 fee, not the 2026 fee. So join for the classes because then you can have a clear idea. So theory classes for 2026 A-level students and 2005 are allowed to join 2026 classes for free. මං කිව්වා 12 පාඩම් එකක්වත් කරන්නේ නැහැ මේකේ කරන්නේ ප්‍රශ්න විතරයි. right? ඒක නිසා ඒකට එන්න. මම ඒකත් බලලා තමයි කරන්නේ. right? Okay. Then the other one, recordings are given, unit evaluation, individual attentions, and the 24/7 teacher assistance. You can get my support at any time. Understand? Then the other part, you know, class procedure. As I told you, if you are joining with 2025 class only, just take 2 books, right? But if you are joining both 2026 class and 2025 class, so you need to obtain 4 CR books. All 4 books should be like single rule books, right? Page number should be 200 or more than that. The CEO ඊට වඩා වැඩි එකක් ගන්න. Right? ඒතර මං කිව්වා why you need 2 books. First book you need to name it as with sir මාත් එක්ක කරන ඒවා. 25 ක්ලාස් එකකටත් with sir කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයා 26 එකට එනවා නම් ඒකටත් තියෙනවා with sir කියලා එකක්. දෙකට දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Understand? Then after that, you know, another book as homeworks. You need to have another book to do the homeworks. Understand? Send me a thumbs up. You need to have another book for the homeworks, right? And the continuous assessments conducting unit test plus term test. If you miss any class, refer the recordings. Recordings are really important to you. Why? Need past papers from August onwards. I told you, right? So I'll explain it again when it comes to the recommended readings. You can purchase past paper book and tutorials from me or take printouts. There are 2 things, right? And 24/7, not 20/7. It should be 24/7, right? 24/7 teach assistance and the individual attention. Then the other one, you know, in here, instruction. Join for the classes on time. You need to be on time in here. Why? If I start a company account like that, so if you miss 50 or 15 or 30 minutes, you will use the marks and you need to wait till I finish the question. Okay, it takes time. Is it clear to you guys? That's why be there on time. If you are joining with 2026 classes, you have 1 hour time gap. Okay, you can have 1 hour lunch break, then you can come back. Okay, මම වෙලාවට මේක ඉවර කරන්නම්. අද පුඩ්ඩක් විනාඩි 5ක් වැඩි වුණා. ඔයාට කාලා බීලා ඔක්කොම කරලා ඉන්න පැයක් මදි නෑනේ නේද? අවුලක් නෑ, right? So then the other one, do the past papers at least 5 times. Okay, you know, at least new syllabus questions, new syllabus past paper questions, you need to do it at least 5 times. Why? This is really important to you. By if you practice again and again, right? New syllabus started from 2019. Don't miss classes or recordings, right? I told you, you have 26 hours into 6 days once I finish a class, right? Before starting the other class. So you need to watch the recording and catch up everything if you miss any class. And the other thing, you need to have a stable connection. Since most of you guys are joining through online, right? You need to have a stable connection. Why? So find ways, connection, strong connection, and then connect disconnect වෙවි එද්දිත් පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි, right? So have some backups. Light ගියොත් option එකක් බලන්න, right? phone එකකින් ඉන්න පුළුවන් light ගියොත් අවුලක් නැහැ. ඒ නිසා phone එකත් ready කරලා තියාගන්න. link එක phone එකට දාගෙන ඒ වගේ ඒවා ready කරලා තියාගන්න. ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුණොත් ටක් ගාලා join වෙන්න. මම කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Why? So don't miss any class. Every single word is really important. I know there are some technical issues, but try to avoid technical issues because it's really important to you. Understand? Uh, then the other one, keep your notes, books and tutorials properly and neatly. You need to keep everything, though you are a boy or a girl. You need to do everything in a clear manner. I want the clarity. That's why each and every lesson I'm writing the recording date. Then now this is the day one recording. Next week day two recording. Now I'm writing the date in here, and I'm writing the topic in here. I'm not erasing this one, okay, till I stop the recording. Easy creative guys, because when you are watching the recording, you can see, this is my lesson. I'm not missing, this is my oral pattern as well. Hope you can remember guys, right? So this is my oral pattern, because I'm not going to erase this one. I'm keeping this one till the meeting ends, because it's really important to you all. Understand? ඉදි නෑ නේද? බුද්ධිමත නෑනේ නේ, කාලා අමාරු නෑනේ, right? ගැම්මට ඉන්න ඕනේ, right? Okay, වැඩි කන්න එපා දවල්ට, හවසට කන්න 4ට ඉවරලා කන්න. එතකොට හරි, right? Okay, අවුලක් නෑනේ සිග්ම and Manuji, අවුලක් නෑනේ, right? Okay, so and the other one, right? So others, I think Tharul and Nitmi wasn't there in the 2026 class, right? Am I correct? You were there? No, no, right? Can you hear me? No. No, ne? Right. Okay. කතා කරන්න ඕනේ, බය වෙන්න එපා. ගිලින්නේ නැහැ. ටිකක් කවුලන්නේ online නේ, right? Okay. Right. Now the other one. Do you work in a clear and understandable manner? ලස්සනට වැඩ කරන්න, පිළිවෙලට වැඩ කරන්න. ලස්සන නෝට් තියාගෙන ගෙදර ඉන්න නිදාසේ රිලැක්ස් එකකින් ඉන්නවා. traveling time නැහැ, මහන්සි නැහැ. ලැප් ෆෑන් එකක් දාගෙන නේද, වතුරේ කන්න මොන හරි ළඟ තියාගන්න, බොන්න මොන හරි ළඟ තියාගන්න. නිදාසේ වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ හොඳ ඉව මේ මොනවාද ගොඩක් අය දැන් ට්‍රැවලින් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නේද, ආයේ ඒවා තියෙනවා. දාසේ ඉන්න පුළුවන්. මං කියන්නේ ගේ ඇතුලේ කාමරෙටම වෙලා ඉන්න නෙමෙයි. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාට ඉතින් එළියට යන්න පුළුවන්, right? You can do. Take care of your mental and physical effort, mental and physical condition. That is really important. If you are studying, you need to have a proper mental and physical condition. So you need to practice meditation, especially 2025 A-level students. Practice meditation, right? And you need to have a good physical and mental condition. Why? When it comes to mental condition, some guys are addicted to video games and anything. It's okay, but you can play video games within your circle, right? You need to know the circle. Daily I am limiting this only up to 1 hour, 30 minutes. Understand? More than that, don't exceed it. It's not a good situation. You need to know your circle, right? So do everything. You can watch film, or you can do anything whatever you want. You can play. Even you can care about, you need to care about your physical condition, right? Do some exercises, practice some dancing, girls, right? So you can do whatever you want, but because when you are studying, you need to have a good mental and physical condition. Understand? Easy clear to you guys? That is really important. You need to be stable, both your mental and physical condition. සතුටින් ඉන්න, නා වෙලා ඉන්න, වැඩ කරන්න නේද? දුකින් ඉන්න එපා. එතකොට නැත්තම් අමාරුයි, කරන දෙයක්වත් ඔලුවට යන්නේ නැහැ. බයෙන් ඉන්න එපා. කතා කරන්න, සතුටින් ඉන්න. එතකොට තමයි ආසාවෙන්, දැන් මම සමහර ක්ලාස් හරි ආසාවෙන් කරන්නේ. මට ඒ ක්ලාස් එක නිවාඩු දෙන්න. මම දන්නවා ඔයලා ක්ලාස් වලනේ. මතකනේ 23 ක්ලාස් එකේ නිවාඩු දීලා තින්නේ එකම එක දවසයි 2000 මේ අවුරුද්දේ මම හරියද, right? මතකයිනේ අප්‍රේල් මාසේ එක දවසක් විතරයි නේ සිට්ම මම නිවාඩු දුන්නේ, right? මේ යරින් අනිත් හැමදාම කරා 2023 O level class එක. මොකද මම සතුටින් එනවා, මොන ප්‍රශ්න තිබ්බත් මං එනවා. එක දවසක් විතරයි මං මිස් කරේ මේ graduation එකක් නිසා. ඒ යරින්න මම අනිත් හැමදාම ජනවාරි ඉඳන්, right? So that's why I'm not going to skip any class. You are with me like in a friendly manner. You are asking questions and you can have a chat with, right? it's not, if not, it's boring to me as well. ඔගොල්ලොත් video off කරන් ඔහේ නිදිමතේ ඉන්නවා. මාත් මෙහි නිදිමතේ ඉන්නවා. ඒ කාපු ගමන් එන්නේ නේද? ඔයගලන්ටත් කම්මැලි මටත් කම්මැලි. එහෙම බෑ ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ කරන්න නම් we need to be like friends. කතා කරන්න, ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න, mute ඔයගලන්ට mic එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? mic එකක් දීලා තියෙනවනේ Zoom එකේ. unmute කරන්න, ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. ඒක තමයි පොඩ්ඩක් අපිටත් ආස හිතෙන්නේ කොහොම හරි එන්නේ. right? Because Saturday is a busy day for everyone. හැමෝටම නේ පාටි තියෙනවා, අනම්මනම් තියෙනවා. ඒවාට යන්න නැතුව මෙතනට මම ප්‍රයොරිටි එක දෙනවා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම. ඔයගලන්ගේ පැත්තෙන් මට හොඳ සපෝට් එකක් එනවා. right? okay. Study free at home or by coming. If you need, you can sit here. right? okay. Then the other one, right? So major attentions, I told you, you need to make your major attention should be the syllabus, and download the you can download these three. Teachers guide also, because it's though it's for the teachers, you can find some different important things and different mind maps in the teachers guide. මම ටියුට්ස් වල දාලා දෙනවා. හැබැයි ඔයත් මේව download කරලා තියාගන්න. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? right? So download it and save this in your PC. Teachers guide and the syllabus, everything you can download through Google. No need to take a print out, but if you need, you can have the syllabus with you all, right? So when it comes to other one, I told you the recommended reading. So I told you, you can when it comes to my tute order, I told you there are my two types of tute orders, right? 12 tute order එකක් තියෙනවා, 13 tute order එකක් තියෙනවා. You can do two things. First thing, you can purchase it from me, or you can take a printout. Starting from the syllabus, this is my syllabus, right? So not my syllabus, which is the government syllabus, I like printed in here, right? As I told you, you can purchase it from me. You can I'm taking only the cost. You need to pay the delivery charges. You can buy it from me. So this is syllabus, and this is my grade 12 first lesson tute. grade 13 first lesson එකට අදාළ tute එක මම හැදුවා. ඒකත් මේ වගේ cover එකක එනවා. ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඒකත් ඕන නම් කලින් ඉල්ලලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ Wednesday Thursday වෙදීවත්දී ඒක ලෑස්ති වෙනවා. grade 13 first tute, management accounting. Understand? Okay guys, right? So you can purchase it from me also, or you can take a printout, anything. And the other thing, මම මේක කලිනුත් කිව්වා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට strictly I'm telling. So this is my past paper book. My කියන්නේ this is yesterday I purchased these all past papers from exam department. So I'm doing past papers from 2010 onwards. අවුරුදු 10ක් කරනවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එනවා මේ අවුරුද්දේ paper එක තියෙනවා. ඒතර 11ක් තියෙනවා, right? So there are, this is my tute cover, and in here මම මේක පොතක් වගේ හදලා තියෙන්නේ past papers දාලා ඔක්කොම මේ හැම page එකකටම page number එකක් දාලා තිනවා මම කලින් කිව්වා. You can see, right? So there is a page number in here, right? Starting from page මම අර seal එකකින් page number දාලා තියෙන number 1 ඉඳන් page number 262. පිටු 262ක් තියෙනවා මේකේ. මේ පිටු 262 කියන්නේ මේ 2010 ඉඳන් 2023 වෙනකම් අවුරුදු 10ක past papers වල first part උයි second part උයි දෙකේම එකතු. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? right? So because better I encourage you to this purchase this from me. Why? මට ඒතර පන්තියේදී කියන්න පුළුවන් පාඩමක් කරගෙන ගමන් ටක් ගාලා පිටු අංක 242 එන්න turn to page number 121. Then you can see the 2018 question paper, question number 4. Do it now quickly. කියලා මොකද ඔයාට මුලින් ඉඳන්ම past papers කරන්න වෙනවා. තව සතියකින් දෙකකින් past papers කරන්න පටන් ගන්න වෙනවා. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද ළමයි? Are you okay with this one? right? ඒක නිසා ඔයා මේක ගන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේ අවුරුදු මම මේක උඩට දාලා තියෙන්නේ ළඟම paper එක. යටට දාලා තියෙන අන්තිම paper එක. 2010 paper in here, right? So 10 years is enough. Because the new syllabus starting from 2019, we from that only, right? So that is enough only, because you know it's really important to have it. So what I want to tell you, like if you need, you can contact me and tell me the order, then I'll place the order. Because I'm printing this from a place. If you need, you can tell me. Now mostly this one will be 2000. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට කව එකත් එක්ක ඔක්කොම එද්දි රුපියල් 2000ක් වගේ වෙනවා delivery charges නැතුව. අවුරුදු දෙකටම ඔයාට අවුරුද්දෙන් තියෙන විභාගෙට ඒකට ඉතින් 2000ක් වාට waste කරනවා. I know it's too hard, but because I'm in here all the past papers are included. මොකද මම මේක exam department එකෙන්මයි ගත්තේ. ඉතින් මොනවත් අර ලියලා කරලා නැහැ. past paper එක ඒ විදිහටම තියෙනවා, right? And the other thing you can see, there are different recommended reading. Now I'm starting cost and management accounting. So this one, this is the published. There is a book publishing by Education Publication Department, and this next book, accounting, right? This book publishing by also Education Publication Department, only comprises grade 12 few lessons. ඔක්කොම නෑ, ටිකයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒකත් හොඳයි. So if you have an accounting background, and if you have done the 12 grade 12 in a at least in a good manner, you can purchase this one, because in here this is intermediate financial accounting for advanced level and other higher education. Somewhat advanced. Understand? It is somewhat advanced. If you need, you can purchase this one. And also, there are like I purchased this one from Sarasavi, 400 questions and answers, right? There is another book as well. You can purchase it. මේවා මම එවන් නෑලම මේවා ඔයගලන්ට ගන්න පුළුවන්. And the other one, there is a grade 12 textbook. I haven't found any grade 13 textbook. If you found, you can suggest. And also you can purchase everything from the book fair, upcoming book fair. You can purchase everything, because in book fair you can see different publications. Understand, guys? Easy, clear to you? And the other one, you can follow my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading all the recordings in channel. Then my Facebook page and Instagram account, ඒව නැත්තම් හදාගෙන ආයේ විලවද දෙන්න එපා. කියනවා නම් follow කරන්න අම්මගේ හරි තාත්තා, right? Then the other one, you can stock account. Okay, so right, enough. See the motto in my old tunes: manage life and education, balancing credits and debits. Because I'm also in this A levels, I did many sports, extracurricular things, and many things, right? ඔය කාලේ මම සෑහෙන එක්ස්ට්‍රා වැඩ කරා, right? මොනවාද මම ස්පෝර්ට්ස් කරා, ඊට පස්සේ ඩිබේටිං කරා, right? තව වැඩ ගොඩාක් කරලා තියෙනවා, but I manage A levels also with 3A passes. Understand? Okay, so you can do any other thing. මොකද ඔගොල්ලෝ විශේෂයෙන්ම ළඟදී out වෙන්න ඉන්නයි මම කියන්නේ ඒකයි. පාඩම් කරන්න, හොඳට අහගමු, වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරගමු, පාඩම් කරන්න. ඒක it's education is the first thing, right? But what I encourage you, because you need to start a business not now, after your A levels, is my opinion. Understand? ඔයාට business එකක් කරේ මොකක් කරේ income source එකක් A level වලින් පස්සේ තියාගන්න. දැන් ඒකත් පොඩ්ඩක් සතියකට පැයක් වගේ හොඳට රිෆර් කරන්න. හිතන්න ඔයාට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන්. කෙල්ලෙක්ට නම් කේක් බිස්නස් එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් නේද? මම කලිනුත් ඔක කියලා තියෙනවා. කේක් හදන්න මුලින්ම ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. එකපාර කේක් එකක් කරන්න බෑ. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? ඒවා ඉගෙන ගන්න මේ අවුරුද්ද ඔයාට අවුරුද්දක් තියෙනවා. මං 26 අයට කිව්වා. You have 1 year, just practice it, just study it. You have the graphic designing skill, just study, right? You have sometimes you may have a laptop, download the softwares and practice it, because all my tudes are designing by A level student. මේ ඔක්කොම ටියුට් ටික මට එවන්න. මේ කොළඹ පැත්තේ A level student කෙනෙක් තමයි මගේ ඔක්කොම ටියුට් කපස් හදන්නේ. එයා මට කතා කරලා සර් පොඩි සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න, මම මෙහෙම කරලා වැඩ ටික එවන්න කියලා. මම කලිමුත් කිව්වා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ දැක්කහම මට හිතුණා හොඳයි කියලා. මම එයාට කිව්වා හරි මම මෙච්චර ගාණක් මට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයා කැමතිද? ඌස මට කැමතියි, මට වැඩ නැහැ. මට ඉගෙන ගන්න ටියුෂන් ක්ලාස් යන සල්ලි නැහැ. මම කරන්නේ මේ සබ්ජෙක්ට්ස්. මගේ සබ්ජෙක්ට්ස් එනවා නම් මම ෆ්‍රී කාඩ් එකක් කර දෙනවා. නමුත් මේ මොනවාද මෙහෙම කියලා ඊට පස්සේ එයාට කිව්වා සර් මට වැඩ කරගන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙමයි කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ මගේ දැන් ඔක්කොම හදලා දෙනවා. මේ මොනවාද good skill. So I'm really happy with his skills, right? මං කියන්නේ දැම්ම කරන්න කියලා. Just practice it, just study. He is still practicing everything. Understand? Just practice it, then you can have a clear background. Don't start anything till your A level till you finish your A level examination. Understand? Once you finish the A level examination, you can start anything. Understand, guys? Okay. Then this is the end of the presentation. Hope you got the idea, right? Okay. So from here, grade 13 starting, right? This is the grade 13 point in our thing. Right. So from here in our syllabus, grade 13 starting, which is the final statements of a limited liability company. but I'm starting from here because you need to have a proper background in here because to do the grade 13 accounts thing, right? First of all, financial accounting, you need to have a grade 12 accounting. Still, because of that, I'm going to start this one. Okay, write the topic management accounting, right? So, concepts of management accounting, write the topic, new topic, concepts of management accounting, writing book, management. Just only write the management accounting or concepts of management accounting. Anyhow, right, just write it. Management accounting. Okay, still you don't have the tute with you. I'll send the tute before next week. Till that, just listen to my things, right? Okay. Today I'm doing the class till like 3 o'clock. Understand? Okay, guys. So next week, from next week I'm going to do the proper time 1 to 4. Okay, not next week because next week is a holiday. You will have another extra class. I'll tell you. Okay, right. So management accounting, right? So different kind. ඒක වෙනස් කරන්න. අර බර ඇතුලේ right. Okay. Now the other one. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Next one. Okay. First of all, in here, right? First of all, you need to have a proper idea about accounting, right? Now, in grade 12, just remember the accounting definition. It's the process of providing relevant economic information to stakeholders for their appropriate decision making. Process of providing stakeholders for their decision. That is the term called what? Accounting, right? So, accounting we mainly broadly classify into two areas. First one, financial accounting, right? And secondly, it's management accounting. This way, management accounting. Okay. So, can anyone tell me what is the term called financial accounting and what is the term called management accounting? Any idea about what is the term called financial accounting and what is the term called management? Any idea? No. Right. Okay. So just right. Okay. So when it comes to financial accounting, you know, uh, right, there are different stakeholders in the business, right? And in financial accounting, we provide information to stakeholders for their decision making. Hope you know about that, right? So which means that we mostly financial accounting prepare based those the things in Sri Lanka based on the LKA's Lanka accounting standards and uh, SLFRS, which means financial reporting things, right? So there are two types of standards. I'll explain it later because I can't tell everything. LKS and FLARS, right? Financial things, right? Okay. So what I want to tell you in here, just wait. Now, in here, first of all, you know, since we can't prepare everything in financial accounting, right? That's why we need management accounting. Okay? Right. So, Right, in financial accounting we prepare everything based on LKS and SLFRS, right? I'll tell everything later. Now, this is a legal requirement. Financial accounting is a legal requirement why we need to provide this to stakeholders for their decision making. We commonly publish in financial accounting. When it comes to management accounting, right, under that we can identify cost account. Cost account. Now, in the past, we are classified accounting into three types: financial accounting, management accounting, and the cost accounting. Accounting branches තුනක් අපි අඳුරගත්තා. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Right? But now they are classifying only accounting as financial accounting and the management accounting. Why? Cost accounting also coming under management account. Why is it? Now now this is the business. We can identify different stakeholders. Under entity concept we identify owner and manager are two separate parties. Owner is also kind of a stakeholder. Owner, manager, employee. Is owner, manager and employee, those are internal stakeholders. And the supplier, customer, competitor, right? Then we can write like government also, socialist republic. Know about the government, right? So government is also kind of a stakeholder, right? So other than that, there are different kind of stakeholders. We publish in financial accounting, right? So under the guidance of LKS and SLFRS, we are publishing this in a company mostly. Company doing this one, because in a sole proprietorship and partnership, it's not a legal requirement to prepare the accounts. When it comes to companies, means private limited and public limited, it's a legal requirement to publish the accounts, right? you know we publish financial reports. They are in company, there are 5 types of things, I'll tell you later. So we publishing these things for their uh, commonly, we don't care about each and everyone requirements. We publishing everything for the stakeholders for their decision making. But when it comes to management accounting, it's mostly for the internal purposes. It's for the owner, manager, and employee, mostly for the decision making of owner, manager, right? So they are the one who take in decision side of the business. Because some information, some sensitive information in the business, we can't publish it. For an example, think about a Munchie company. They are producing biscuits. Am I clear to you guys? Right? Munchie company, they produce biscuits. Now think they are going to introduce a new biscuit. Okay, before introducing a new biscuit, they need another separate plant. ඒගොල්ලන්ට අලුත් බිස්කට් එකක් හදන්න වෙනම පොඩි එකක් ඒරියා එකක් පොඩි ෆැක්ටරි එකක් වගේ එකක් අලුතෙන් දාන්න ඕනේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ ලොකු ඉන්වෙස්ට්මන්ට් එකක් කරන්න යනවා. But before doing things, they need to do a study. No need to publish it. We can't publish it because these are sensitive information. Understand? Easy clear to you guys, right? Before starting it, we need to do how much we need to spend, how much we can earn, how which time, how many time period will takes us to collect the amount. Likewise, we need to have a thorough discussion, right? So that's why we need the management accounting. So likewise, management accounting is only for the owner, manager, and employee, mostly owner and manager. But when it comes to cost accounting, it's one type of branch of the thing, right? Branch of management accounting. Why we need cost accounting? Like mostly costing. Now think about, we are a manufacturing company. In a manufacturing company, we need to do the cost. Cost is really important to the business. Why? Pricing, marking the price is really important. You know about that one. Now think, if you make the price, if you mark the price of a product, this is cost account is really important to a manufacturing company. Think about that biscuit company. So we need to mark our price in the about in our product in a good manner. Why? In a clear manner. each and every other cost should be included. Why? If you miss any cost, our company will collapse. වැටෙනවා. මොනවා හරි මිස් වුණොත් හරි අපි costing හරියට කරේ නැත්නම් costing එකක් හරියට කරේ නැත්නම් business එකක් කඩාගෙන වැටෙනවා කාලයක් යද්දි losses ඇවිල්ලා. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Because including depreciations, you know about depreciation. ඔයා දන්නවා වාහන I'll tell it later. වාහන use කරද්දි vehicles use කරද්දි ඒවායේ use කරන්න අගේ අඩු වෙනවා. No, in O levels also we did. So that's why we need to add depreciations also. ඔයා හිතන්න ඔයා මේ no limit එකෙන් කොහරි කොහේ හරි ඇඳුමක් ගන්නවා නම් ඒ ඇඳුමේ ගහලා තියෙන price එකේ cost එකට ඒගොල්ලෝ වැඩ කරන security ගේ salary-යක් බෙදලා දාලා තියෙනවා. ඇඳුම් වලට ටික ඒ කියන්නේ salary-යක් දාලා තියෙනවා. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Because it's also a cash outflow. We need to do the cost accounting properly. Why? We are not publishing it. Why? Price is the really important, because only the selling price is the thing which make revenue to the business. All other things are expenses to the business. It's cash outflow. Understand? Right? Only the revenue is the only the selling price is important thing of the business. Right? Okay, that's why financial information we only concern about the historical things, only the past things. අපි financial information දෙන්නේ දැන් හිතන්න, you know, normally in O levels we discuss about our accounting time period. You know, we call it our, now let's take 2024 year. Think about 2024 year, starting from 1st of January 2024, ends on 31st December 2024. This is the uh, accounting period of 2024. But we now normally this is only using by the banks and the financial institutes, banks and the government. බැංකුයි මොනවාද රජයේ ආයතනයේ accounts හදන්නේ මේ time period එකට විතරයි. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? right? ඒකට හේතුව මේ time period එක විතරේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඒගොල්ලෝ use කරනවා. But when it comes to the private sector, mostly company, right? So they do accounting period like this starting from your birthday. මං කිව්වා නේද? ඔයාගේ birthday එක දවසේ පටන් ගන්න. April 1st නේද? ඔයාගේ birthday එක දවසේ පටන් ගන්න. Ends on 31st March 2024. We call it as 2023-24 accounting period. අප්‍රේල් පළවෙනිදා නේද? මෝඩයාගේ දවසෙන් තමයි පටන් ගන්න. ඉවර වෙන්නේ ඊළඟ අවුරුද්දේ 3.31. Right? This is the term called accounting period. Have you aware about this? Yes or no? Right? So this is the accounting period. So first of April to 31st March. Understand, guys? Okay. So this is the accounting period. Now what I want to tell you, right? So in financial accounting, we record only the historical transaction. මේ අවුරුද්දේ වෙච්ච දේවල් අපි සමහර business monthly accounts හදනවා, monthly හැදුවට වැඩක් නැහැ. අවුරුද්දේ අන්තිමට අවුරුද්දම concern කරලා accounts හදන්න ඕනේ. Right? And when it comes to like management accounting, not only the past things, we record the future things as well. So this is a legal requirement. There are some standards and there are some ways to record the financial accounting. But when it comes to management accounting, it's not a legal requirement. If the business wants, they can do the management accounting. If not, they don't know. There is no any format. Business එකට ඕන විදිහට customize කරලා එක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. And the other one, what I want to tell you, when it comes to the management accounting, so in here we record finance. You know, in 2026 class we did financial information and you know, like non-financial information. Know about this, right? In here we record not only the financial things and the non-financial things also we use in the management account. You know, we need different ratios, we need different information, ratios, analysis ඔක්කොම එන්නේ මේකට. මොකද ඒවා publish කරන්නේ නෑ වෙයි. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Right? So you know, in financial accounting we present only the things with the monetary value. In here both financial and non-financial information are recorded. Are you okay up to here, guys? Understand? Right? So right. So you know, in here now you know, like Our stakeholders are, we can classify into two, both internal and external. Both parties need uh, information. Okay, first of all, let's write a definition for the management accounting. Right, accounting definition you are learning in grade 12, right? So just write management accounting definition. Management accounting definition. Write the heading, subheading, management accounting definition. Management accounting definition. Okay, write that. The management information system, write it, huh? The management information system, the management information system, the management information system, the management information system that provides, that provides, that provides financial and non-financial information, financial and non-financial information, the management information system that provides financial and non-financial information for the management processes, for the management processes, for the management processes of planning, planning, organizing, directing. I'll explain it again. The management information system that provides financial and non-financial information for the management processes of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling is referred to as management account. Is referred to as management account. Is referred to as management account. Again, the management information system that provides financial and non-financial information for the management processes of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling is referred to as what? Management accounting. Are you okay up to here, guys? Clear? Right? Right? Okay. Okay. Done. Now, uh, okay. So then after that, yeah, after that, then write, then write. Let's write the SIMA definition, right? Let's write the SIMA definition. The process of, process of, I'll give the due including this one later, right? The process of identification, identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, comma, interpretation, analysis, preparation, and communication of information, and communication of information used by management, used by management to plan, comma, evaluate and control within an entity and to assure appropriate use of accountability එක පොඩ්ඩක් නිකන් කියව ගන්න, right, for its resources. So this is the definition given by SIMA. Sometimes you may have heard about this, right? Chartered Institute of Management Account. Okay, understand, guys? Finish it and raise your hand. Once you finish, raise your hand. Once you finish, raise your hand. Waiting for all your raise hand. Done? Why don't you take a screenshot? Make a live after the management accounting definition. You can take a screenshot of this one. Fine. Right. යමට ඉන්න ඕනේ. Right. No, it's right. Bit boring. Right. Okay. Next one. Now after that, like when it comes to management accounting, it's not restricted by different standards, right? But when it comes to financial accounting, there are different barriers, like there are standards we need to adhere to the regulations, all those things, right? So no, there is no now, if the business thinks we don't need the management accounting, we no, we are not using it, understand, right? So now let's take like this. If I take financial information or financial accounting, just wait. Okay, now I'll take the management accounting in here, just this management accounting. Now simply the cost, now just listen to this carefully. The financial accounting කියන්නේ පහුගිය business එකේ වෙච්ච monetary value ඒවා record කරන එක. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? right? management accounting කියන්නේ managers ලාගේ decisions ගන්න. බැංකු වලට අනම්මනම් වලටත් එක්ක ඔක්කොටම හදන වෙනම special kind of reports. cost accounting කියන්නේ business එක manufacturing කරන business එකක් නම් ඒකේ cost එක calculate කරන අනම්මනම් කරන account එක තමයි cost accounting. Understand? Easy, clear, you guys, right? I think it's the simplest. Now, when it comes to financial accounting and the management accounting, okay. So I told you. So the thing, this is the management accounting. Inside of the management accounting, we identify cost account. You know, like right. So just listen to this carefully, right? You know, first management accounting in here. So why managers take different things, right? From cost accounting for the decision making. So for financial accounting, we need the cost information. දැන් ඔයා දන්නවා මොනවා අපි accounts අදන්න cost information එකේ selling price එක කීයද නේද? අනම්මනම් ඔක්කොම දෙන්නේ cost account එකෙන් ගත්ත මේ management account එක cost account එකෙන් ගත්තේ. ඒවා මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? Easy, clear to you, right? So financial accounting, we need the cost information as well. And also, you know, financial information accounting provides, right, information of financial reporting, information of financial reporting, information of financial reporting for the management account. මොකද management account කියන්නේ මොනවද? management account කියන්නේ වෙනම set එකක්. ඒකේ වෙනම reports හදනවා. ඒ reports හදන්න අපිට ඕනේ financial account වල financial accounting වල information ඕන. ඒ වගේම cost accounting වලින් එන ඒවත් ගන්නවා. මේකේ cost account වලින් එන ඒවා දෙනවා financial accounting වලට. Understand? Are you okay with this one, guys? Is it clear to you? Right? Send me a thumbs up if you're okay with this one. Hope you understood everything properly, right? Okay, first you write this part, accounting, financial accounting and the management accounting, and under that write cost accounting, මේක අපි ලියුවේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ මේක ඇඳගන්න and raise your hands. Can you sit and raise two hands? Let me, Manuja, once you finish, is Manuji. Manuji, are you still writing or have you? Okay, after that, write a small two paragraphs. You need to know the difference, right? Okay, small two paragraph. First one, cost of products, cost of products, cost of product, cost of a product or a service, cost of a product or a service, cost of a product or a service, cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting. Cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting, and it is used for a valuation of inventories. The cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting, and it is used for the valuation of inventories. This, right in the same paragraph, cost of inventory are required to prepare the income statement, are required to prepare the income statement, are required to again I'll repeat, cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting, and it is used for the valuation of inventories. The same thing, cost of inventories are required to prepare the income statement. Cost of inventories are required to prepare the income statement and the statement of financial position, and the statement of financial position, the statement of financial position. Are you fine, guys? Any concern? No, right? If you need support, let me know. I'll repeat it again. Okay. Can you hear me, guys? I'm audible. Can you hear, right? Can you hear me? Send me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Can you hear me, guys? No. All right. If not, let me know. Right? Okay. Again, from the beginning. Right. Small things. Cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting, and it is used for the valuation of inventories. Cost of inventories are required to prepare the income statement and the statement of financial position for external reporting. For external reporting. In addition, managers require information. Managers require information for decision making. For decision making. For decision making. Cost of inventories are required to prepare the income statement and statement of financial position for external reporting. In addition, managers require information such as cost of a product or management requires information for decision making, right? Then start uh, a new
Can you repeat
paragraph.
that one again?
Sorry.
Can
Yeah.
you please repeat that paragraph again?
So I want to you want me to repeat it again, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll repeat it. Cost of a product or a service is estimated in cost accounting and it is used for the valuation of inventories. Fine. Okay. Next one. Cost of inventories are required to prepare the income statement and the statement of financial position for the external reporting. Okay. For the external reporting. For the external reporting. In addition, managers require information for decision making. Managers require information for decision making. For decision. Is it fine for you now? Right? Okay, a new paragraph. Management accounting obtains management accounting obtains those in required information those required information management accounting obtain those required information from cost accounting from cost accounting. Further, 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 manager use information, manager use information proceed through financial accounting, proceed through financial accounting for decision making, for decision making, for decision making. Okay, guys, are you okay up to here? Just give me 1 minute. Right. Okay. So I think now you are aware about the cost accounting and the management accounting and the financial accounting. So I'm not going to give you detailed discussions because I will explain this one in 2026 class as well. Are you okay up to here, guys? Right? Okay. So you can compare these things in, later. So now in examination, if they ask about the difference between financial and cost accounting, you can see cost accounting coming under management accounting, which gives cost information for the managers for the decision making. Financial information record only historical things. It's there is a legal requirement and prepare the things based on the rules and regulations. Is it clear to you guys? Understand, right? So and you know the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. Cost accounting coming under management accounting, right? Management accounting is the head of the which control the cost accounting. Likewise, you can write anything. I'll give everything in later. I mean, in 2026 class, right? In my tute also there are everything. Okay, so right. The heading management accounting and decision making process. Management accounting and decision making process. Management accounting and management accounting and decision making process. Management accounting and decision making process. Management accounting and decision making process. Right. Now you know. Now when it comes to decisions, we can classify into two. Right. Decisions can be classified into two. Routine decisions. Don't write. Non-routine decision. Right. Decisions are two types: routing and non-routing. Understand, guys? Right. Now you know routing decisions is really it's no need to concern much because we know everything, because we have the like the previous background, which we know about the previous. Is it clear to you guys? When it comes to routing, now think weekly fuel consumption. We have the initial experience, history, past experience. Since it's a routine, everything we know. But when it comes to non-routine decisions, we need to have a proper think. First of all, we need to think why we you know. Now, when it comes to non-routine decisions, now think about purchasing a new machinery. It's an unrouting decision. We purchasing mostly for one time. Is it clear to you guys? Right? That's why before taking that kind of a decisions, we need to apply the management accounting decision making process, right? Okay. So mostly applicable, mostly applicable for decision making process. Right. Let's come from the beginning, right? Okay. Uh, First one, you know, first of all, what we need to do, we need to identify objectives and issues. of this one. Then after that, we number 2, we need to search. I'll give enough time, don't try. Search for alternative causes of action. Number 2, number 3, gather data about alternatives. Then number 4, select a suitable alternative courses of action. Number 5, implement the decision. Number 6, compare the actual and planned outcome. Number 7, respond to divergences from plan. This is also can come here, and in here, this is the stage where we separate from here to here. Planning and implementing process. Then in here, this is the control process. Right? Okay. So first of all, we need to identify the objective and issue which for our decision making, and then after that we need to search for the alternative cause of action, causes of actions, right? Alternative causes of actions. Then we gather data about the alternatives. There are sometimes there can be many. Then select the suitable alternative course of action, right? Then implement the decision, compare the actual and planned outcome, response to the divergences uh, from the plan, from the plan. So this is just a management decision making process. You can apply this one for your non-routing decisions as well. Is it clear to you guys? Just not uh, like this is not a calculation. This is also like bit theoretical. Then after that, calculation. Just write this one and this one. Hurry up. I'll give in the tute as well. So his policy decisions are also same as non-routing decisions. You mean what, the policy decisions like government policies? Finish it and raise your hand. All right. Politicians also saying like, yeah, mostly it's coming under non-routing. Pinch it and raise your hands. So finish, raise your hands. Hold on. Okay, right. So, right. So, this is the management accounting process. Hope you understood this thing here, right? Okay, now turn on the videos, please. Now, first thing, as I told you, uh, I will send the tute around Wednesday or Thursday. Next week also, no classes on Saturday because of the Koya day. I will conduct an additional class to you, most probably on Friday morning. Understand, guys? Easy, clear to you, right? So mostly Friday morning. So have I think you uh, these days it's okay for you to join, right? So 2 hours additional class, right? Covering because I have this week 1 hour and previous week 3 hours and next week 3 hours, which means altogether I have to cover 7 hours. Easy, clear to you guys, right? So everything will be covered in due course because still the results are pending. Most guys are not doing A levels and some guys are selecting another one. And once the results come, they will again come to commerce and other things. Some guys are doing other like science maths because of they think without releasing O levels their results they are think now they can do, but when it comes to the results of the results being released sometimes they need to select another thing. Why? So they don't know the exact situation. Understand? That's how it goes. So make sure I will start the class around 1 5 or 1 10 around because I'm finishing the class at 12 the 2026 one and finishing the class from 4 p.m. not the next week because it's a 4 day after that week, which means our 1 to 4 class starting from 2027. But next Friday you have the class 2 hours. Is it clear to you guys? Next Friday you have a 2 hours class. Mostly I'll discuss with here and I'll let you know. Mostly from like after once I finish the 2026, then I come to the 2025 likewise, right? So you can purchase the tute from me or you can take the printout and make sure to have the past paper immediately. So I will give the time till this month, okay? If you need the past paper book from me, just inform it to me. If not, you can take a printouts. දැන් මම page number එක කිව්වහම ඔයාම number කරගත්තේ නැත්නම් ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙනවා. ඒ නිසා එක්ක ඔයා number කරගන්න අරගෙන එහෙම නැත්නම් මගෙන් මේ number කරපු තියලා පොත ගන්න. Because once we number it, it's easy for us to jump. Understand, guys? Easy, clear to you, right? So and also don't tell in a hurry. If you want the printout, tell it me because it will take around 5 6 days for the delivery and 5 plus printing, right? So you know when it comes to deliveries it will take around 5 6 days. That's why everything is important to you. Okay, so this is enough for the first week, first day. I'll send the tube covering everything and next week onwards I'm starting the calculation. Understand? Study up to here and come. Let's meet on Friday morning. Thank you for the participation. Good night. God bless.
Yes, sir.